Today we are going to do the unboxing of Makita 18-volt brushless chainsaw, which is 250mm or 10 inches in length. The model number is DUC254Z. Let's do the unboxing. You got this Makita bag so that you can store the chainsaw after use. This one comes with the accessories, like the screwdriver and the chain. And that's the main unit. Instruction manual, warranty card, Makita chain oil, blade cover and the bar itself. First, for the assembly, we need to unscrew this bolt over here on the main unit. The cover will come off. You can even do it with this spanner. Okay, so that comes off. There's a guide on how the chain should be positioned on the handlebar. You see this over here. Next, we take the handlebar off and get the chain. So it would be a good idea to wear a gloves because this chain is pretty sharp. So on the handlebar you just put the chain like this, and you see this mark over here. So next what we're going to do is put the chain on the handlebar and put it in the sprocket like this. Just to ensure the chain is in the slot. And you can use this adjusting screw so that the pin over here aligns with the hole. If it doesn't, just adjust using this screw. Totally adjust it, and you can. So what this does is, once you move the screw, it will move around and you can loosen or tighten the handlebar. With this adjustment screw, what it does is you can feel the chain getting a bit tight. This, and it shouldn't be too tight, but you can see like a little bit loose. And next, just put the cover on. That's it. And you see this direction of the chain. It does come with this chainsaw oil. So next what we do is fill up some lubricant oil for the chainsaw. So I got this Makita bar and chain lubricant. This is separate to the one that already comes in the box. It also has a carbine at the end, so you can attach it to a rope while climbing trees. One of these, like a hook. Slide the Makita battery in and you're ready to go. So switch the battery on. So let's try testing it on some wood later.